Hello everyone, in today's short video I'm going to show you how to quickly remove the rear deck speakers or woofers, so they call it, for the 2001 BMW 740i E38 models. Applies from 95 till 2001. Uh, uh, Probably the procedure is similar for the 540 39s or 530s. I can't guarantee that, but works for the E38s. People show you a lot of videos have you remove the whole rear seat, all the bolts, going through the hassle. I found an easier way to do it, and that is you just need to pop the cover off. This is the cover, sits right there inside. I'll show you. It's very easy. You get a tool like this, put it in like this, and just slowly go around so that you don't break the plastic, and it comes off easily. And after that, pretty straightforward. There are 4 screws, supposed to be T10 Torx. Sometimes they're not. Sometimes they're star screw. So I already took this off. So 4 corners. Take it out. Get your new woofers, and then only thing you have to do is cut this joint here and then solder it to the new speaker. I'm using Dayton Audio woofers, 5¼ inch. Not sure how the fitment will be, but I have heard they're gonna work just right. You can see here. So you just use this. You can use the connectors, wire it up with the connectors like the door speakers if you don't want to solder it, and that's it. You're good to go. Put it back, and there's some nice beat. Instead of going through hours of hassle removing everything. Okay, I hope this helped you guys. Any comments, please let me know, and thanks for watching.